particle moves in a straight line so that t second after passing through fixed point O, its displacement is given by this function. Find the distance between the particles first two position of instantaneous rest. What do you mean by that? Now the particles stop instantaneously when the velocity is 0. So when I differentiate displacement, I get velocity. This will be 3. Differentiate cos, you get, I already have a negative here, it becomes a positive 5 sine 5t. Okay, so I'm going to let v be 0. When my v is 0, 3 plus 5 sine 5t is 0. Sine 5t is negative 3 over 5. Okay, we need to remember when you use calculator, it must be radian. Differentiation, integration, angles are on sine 3 over 5. The result is 6435. This is your reference angle only. We're not done yet. Reference angle 0.644. Or you can write 6435. 6435 is better, right? Does it matter? No, doesn't matter. 6435. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, now, why do they say the first two position? Because for trigonometry, you go round and round and round. We can have as many signs. No sign is positive in quadrant 1 and 2. This 5t will be pi plus 644, and the next one will be 2 pi minus 644. So we're going to take pi plus 0.644 divide by 5. So my first answer is 0.757. Okay, the second answer is 2 pi minus 0.6. I got 1.128. So you need to find the distance between the first two positions. This is the time, not the distance yet. So take this and substitute inside where? Displacement. Yeah, substitute inside the displacement. So my first displacement, I call it S1. 1 plus 3, 0.757. And then minus cos 5. Okay, calculator in radian mode, remember that. 1 plus 3.757 plus minus cos 5 times 0.757. Okay, I got 4.071. Use more decimal point. Okay, now the second position will be 1 plus 3, 1.128 times 1.128. Okay, let's count. Okay, so this plus 3 times 1.128 minus cos bracket 5 times 1.128. Okay, the result is 3.584. So with that, we can find the difference, right, guys? My difference will be what? The difference in the position, we can just take 4.071 minus 3.584. 1 minus 3.584. There you go. 0.487. Okay, now next we find the acceleration at t equals to pi. So we differentiate your velocity to get your acceleration. This will be 5 times 5, 25, right? 25. Differentiate sign is cos 5t, right? When t equals to 5, you get t equals to pi, 5 pi. Cos 180 is negative 1. 5 pi is also negative 1. If you're not sure, use a calculator. It's actually negative 1. So this will be 25 times negative 1, negative 25. Okay?